Alright, here we go. Room tour for room 8532 on the Disney Wish. There's Noah chilling in her pack and play. There's Mommy laying down. We've got a Sleeping Beauty, what is it called? Sleeping Beauty designed room? Themed room. One of the cool things about Disney Cruise Line is they have two separate bathrooms, one for the bath, which is also awesome when you have a little baby to take a bath, and then the other one is a toilet and sink. So that's really nice.
This is the veranda balcony room. Comes with a balcony. This room, I don't know if there's different versions of this room, but this room is supposed to be able to sleep 5. Apparently, like, I don't know if 2 people sleep here, or if this is one bed, there's a bed that drops down, and then somewhere else, somehow someone else fits in here. Again, there might be different configurations. But this one obviously is just going to sleep 3 of us. We did request a pack and play and a diaper genie. They provided both. They do give you sheets, so I brought some just in case, but they do provide that. But it's nice. It's definitely like tight-ish quarters, but there's enough room for everything.
For a family of 3, I think it's perfect.
The perfect size. Might be a little tight if you have another one.
Yeah. Let's go out on the balcony.
So this is our balcony. Okay, I just did it. There we go. So there are 2 seats. We have not left the port yet, so very nice. And if you have an adjoining room, they close this little thing, so it kind of expands your balcony. This curtain also will close, so it kind of divides it off to give kind of Noah her own space and us our own space. I think that will come in handy tonight when she goes to bed and we kind of stay up and watch something or just hang out, or we might try to sneak out to the balcony.
And that's a look at our stateroom aboard the Disney Wish. If you're planning your own cruise, be sure to check out our other videos, including our full embarkation day guide and our full week on the Disney Wish, where we document every day that we're on the boat. And we've got more videos coming soon, including a complete ship tour and best tips for cruising when traveling with a baby. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.